my biggest driver in life is helping people understand that anything's possible. And I feel like I'm a walking testament of that. Is growing up, everything's pretty much built against me to not succeed. And going through this program, even though things may be hard at first, you just gotta push through, and like if it's for you, it's for you. If it's not, it's not. Just make sure you try. That's the biggest thing, is to try. Learning about SANS, it was definitely eye-opening, because once I saw SANS and how much they offered, I'm like, wow, this is a lot. Even though I was working in technology fields, I wasn't working in IT. So starting from the base as far as like computers and learning about cybersecurity was a whole new avenue for me. So just seeing how much content they offered to the community was definitely mind-blowing. So the biggest thing I think I took from the academy is you're definitely at an advantage compared to other industries, because the connections. One thing I tell people is networking is the biggest thing, and SANS will get you through the door immediately. I would say this, thank you SANS, because if it wasn't for you, I would not be here in life. I would not be in this seat. I would not have the job that I have, and I would not be able to provide for my family the way that I am now.